On last week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle, Basic dropped her hook in Bahia Tenacatita. The crew took a trip up the estuary where Teal tried to flex his muscles. And Emma made us proud by net controlling the Tenacatita Cruiser's morning VHF net.
Channel 17 is now clear for normal traffic.
We will pick up our story there where we continue exploring this cruiser's Oasis.
I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold. And I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do, it's hopeless too.
Tenacatita has a tight-knit cruising community that coordinates activities for its residents daily. From bocce ball on the beach, card games under the palapas, a daily swim-to-shore event, paddleboarding, beach walks, and my favorite, the Mayor's Raft Up. The Mayor's Raft Up is a weekly event that happens as the sun sets, cooling the west side of the bay. All of the dinghies tie up around the mayor and enjoy each other's company. Everyone brings their own snacks and drinks, and we laugh and sing to a new theme each week. Today the Raft Up was a talent show, so I naturally played my violin. But I had a little problem. A few weeks earlier, I had broken a string on my violin and had to work around the situation.
Are you all ready?
I'm ready.
Time to go get some groceries. So we're actually going to head clear across the bay to La Manzanilla. It's about 2.5 miles to get some fresh produce.
Okay, let's get going then.
Oh no, he's dead. No, wait,
He's
he's
just
alive.
an old guy.
So cool.
Look at the poor barnacle growth all over that guy. Yeah, he's not doing well. Hey, old guy.
We had been to Tenacatita before, but had never made the short trek to La Manzanilla. We were so surprised how cute this town of 2,000 residents was. With its mountainous backdrop and palm tree-lined shore, the approach by boat is breathtaking. We landed the dinghy on the beach smoothly. We timed it perfectly to avoid the 2 to 3 foot waves from breaking over the transom, and was immediately captivated with the seaside town. Within its brick-lined streets is a colorful town square, half a dozen tiendas, a carniceria, ferreterias, and wonderful restaurants, all with spectacular views of Bahia Tenacatita.
Okay, got everything it looks like.
Oh man, I really enjoyed that store. There's really good stores here.
Yeah,
You got everything that you can possibly need, just about.
just about. I think it's the best one we've seen since Mazatlan for sure.
Yeah, for sure. The produce is really fresh. And I heard that the Friday markets are even better. So we only half of us got wet.
Well, I had to push us off. Don't worry, your chips stay dry.
Not mine, Emma's. Well, mine too. We were so impressed that we decided to head back over the bay 3 days later to experience La Manzanilla's Friday market. This weekly event filled the town squares with 50 to 60 vendors selling their wares, a large variety of fresh produce, colorful tropical flowers, woven baskets made right in front of you, handmade clothing, and one of the best desayunos we have ever experienced in Mexico. It was absolutely delicious. I say today was a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, that was it is still a good day. I found herbs at the market. I'm so excited. I got myself a Thai basil plant, which I have been in search of, and some fresh mint. So hopefully this time around, I won't kill it.
I think we've got enough provisions here for a week or two.
We are so set. We're gonna be here for a few more days. Yep. And then we're gonna head over to Barra.
Oh, I'm excited. I've never been to Barra before.
But honestly, we have really been enjoying our time here in Tenacatita. Okay, be honest. We all made it in. We're fairly dry. I think we did really good, right?
Well, okay. Emma, I'll give her a 7 out of a 10. I think I got like an 8 or 9. But you got a 2.
I was like a beach whale trying to get my shoes. It was my
The water
shoes.
was 3 feet deep, almost over your head is like.
I couldn't get on the dinghy.
Look at all this water.
It wasn't that bad, was it?
It wasn't that bad, but we got to get going. The wind's picking up. We got a ways to go. So hang on.
Woo!
Caroline, bum bum bum. So good. It's Lunar New Year today, and we all know what that means.
We're
hiding.
We're hiding. My mom has been cooking for like 3 days straight, so.
We're excited to have all this wonderful food, but she kicks us out of her galley. We're not allowed near her, but we could check on her. Go see if she's up there.
Oh, those look so good. So wait,
I hope so.
what's in them?
This is crispy shrimp balls. You just gotta improvise because we are in a remote anchorage.
Ooh, careful.
And, I don't have all the ingredients for a traditional Lunar New Year celebration, but we can make things work. I'm sure of it.
Well,
It looks delicious.
it looks amazing. I'm so excited.
I love little packets of food, bite size.
Just normal size for you.
Hey! Might not let you eat for that.
No, I'm sorry. Oh, those look so good.
That was mine. That one's mine. Right here.
Oh no! The Lunar New Year is very important in my culture. I grew up celebrating this special day with family and friends. It is important for me to pass this family tradition on to Emma. I have such fond memories of rolling egg rolls with my mom and my 3 sisters and just reflecting on the previous year. They are special times I am excited to share with Teal and Emma and a few other cruisers in the Anchorage.
Captain Music, Captain Music, Captain Music. Reverence, reverence, reverence. Simplicity, simplicity, simplicity. Manxie, Manxie, Manxie. Sailing yacht Kaori is a 38-meter, 125-foot, well-proportioned aluminum luxury yacht. She was built by Palmer Johnson and officially launched in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin in 1992. With her 8.6-meter, 28.2-foot beam, Kaori has a spacious interior plan. In 2009, she underwent a masterful refit, where her aluminum masts were replaced with a state-of-the-art carbon fiber spars. With in-boom furling, it allowed for the use of battens to increase the sail area and improve sail shape. The weight saved aloft transformed the already stiff yacht into a sailing powerhouse.
Well, they just now happened to pull into Tenacatita, and we met Dan and Cheryl, the owners, and they graciously invited us over for a little bit of dancing. So we're heading over there. They have their kids and grandkids on board, so it'll be a lot of fun.
Yeah, we cannot turn this down.
No, come on, dancing on a mega yacht? You know, why would you say no to that?
Dan and Cheryl from Kaori were gracious hosts. They put out an amazing spread of delicious food and drinks for us to enjoy, as well as fun music from Dan's playlist. Out of respect to them, we chose not to film too much and just enjoy their company. But man, what a great night.
Let it ebb, let it flow. Seems like we're stuck down here in Mexico, 'cause I got them Tenacatita blues. Lots of boats plan to go to sea, get stuck at the Palapa playing bocce. Well, I got them Tenacatita blues. Cruising life soft and solitary, except in the realm of harmony, 'cause I got them Tenacatita blues. Robert and Virginia create the vibe in the bay, make it awfully hard to sail away, and I got them Tenacatita blues.
With us now in amazing cruising grounds, I'm meeting up with more kids. We find ourselves surfing, paddleboarding, swimming, snorkeling, and we even started an ongoing D&D campaign. And best of all, the beach bonfires for birthdays, where cruising families get together and celebrate. This time was for Royal from Second Wind. We roasted marshmallows, ate amazing food, and told scary stories around the fire.
It opens up the door and it's really loud and it's echoing in this bathroom. When the law rolls over, all are dead.
I loved it except for the no-see-ums. We hate them. Just to recap, bonfire's good, no-see-ums bad.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. A special thanks goes out to our patrons who make these videos possible. Tenacatita sure has been one of our favorite stops, but it's time to set sail to the next port, and Barra de Navidad is calling. Come back next week to see if we make it.
See you then!